Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study life science effectively. Begin by focusing on the why behind biological processes, not just the what. Try to connect new information to concepts you already understand. This approach builds a strong foundation, making it easier to remember details later. Spend about 60% of your study time on understanding. Active learning is crucial. Instead of just rereading, try creating flashcards for key terms and processes. Drawing diagrams, like a cell cycle or a metabolic pathway, helps visualize complex information. A great method is to explain a concept aloud to an imaginary friend or a pet. If you can teach it, you truly understand it. Consistent review is key for long-term retention. Aim to review new material within 24 hours to solidify it in your memory. Regularly test yourself by trying to recall information without looking at your notes. This active recall strengthens neural pathways. Focus about 25% of your review time on your weakest areas. Structure your study time effectively. Try the Pomodoro technique. Study for 45 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. This helps maintain focus and prevents burnout. Consider forming a small study group. Discussing topics with peers can clarify difficult concepts and expose you to different perspectives. Aim for one group session per week.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.